What's up, you guys? It's Mike here with Trushine Cleaning. Out here at a new customer's location. This job was referred to me. It's a small office space down in I think it's like the South St. Louis area, out in Maplewood. But show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing. So I've already vacuumed, already pre-sprayed. On this carpet, I'm actually going to use a bonnet pad, as you can see. So all I'm doing is this area here, this smaller area, and then it leads back to this part. So it's not a real large area. So been here for probably about 20 minutes. The job's going to take probably about another 30. So it's about an hour job. So I'm letting the carpet kind of sit a little bit right now with the pre-spray on it, just so we can kind of break down this little high traffic area. But other than that, everything should come out great. The carpet was not in bad condition, but the customer did say since he's been here, he hasn't got it clean. So we're gonna see how things come out. Thanks for watching. Show you guys some of the cleaning process. Alright, you guys, showing you a little bit of the process as I'm cleaning. I've already cleaned this area. I've cleaned all the way up to the end of this printer here. And I'm just going to show you guys how well this carpet is coming out. As you guys can see, there's just one little quick pass I did there, and I came back this way. So I'm going to see if I can record while I'm using the machine. Show you guys how great this carpet is coming out. I'm going to continue to do this, you guys, and I want to show you guys the finished results when I'm done. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, finished up with the carpet. As you guys can see how bad, look how that water is. After wringing this bonnet pad out a few times, that's how bad the carpet was. I'm going to clean the water, and I'm going to pour this water out, get a fresh bucket, squeegee that out a little bit more, and I'm going to go over the floor one last little quick time. It's a small area, so probably take less than 3 to 5 minutes. But I just want to get a thorough, evenly coat. So right now, can't really see on camera, but it's like a little shaded area here. But once I go over it one more time, since that is the most high traffic area, it should come out great. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you.